What's up and welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm Shreyato Shukla aka the WhizKid back with another video. Okay guys, I know it has been a really long time since I uploaded a video. Last video was uploaded 2 months ago, but no worries, today we are back with another video. You might have seen the title, and today we are going to unbox the Motorola One Fusion Plus. Just look at this phone. Now let's open it up. Okay, so now this is the phone. Look at this, just look at this. Okay, so what is written is Motorola One Fusion Plus 64 megapixel high resolution camera plus night vision. So it has Qualcomm 730 processor, which is really good. The graphics are good. The camera is really good. There is a 64 this is a quad camera. The first one is of 64 megapixel, the second one of 8, the third one of 5, and the fourth one of 2 megapixel. And the front camera, if you look at this part, it is a pop-up camera which is also of 16 megapixel, which is really good. And its battery life is excellent. It has a battery life of 5000 mAh, which is really good. The price is also really nice. It is of 16,400 rupees. And also its memory is 128 GB, and its extendable memory is up to 1 TB, which is the best. This is the maximum level of memory, 1 TB extendable. So let's open the box. Okay, so this is the case. This is the pin for putting the SIM card and the SD cards. This is the user manuals and regulatory. This is its powerful charger, which charges the phone very fast. This is its wire. So guys, this is the quad camera I was talking about. This camera is of 64 megapixel, the second one is of 8, the third one of 5, and the fourth one of 2 megapixel. So guys, this is a power button and this is a volume button. Now this is the earphone jack, and this is the latest wire pattern that is coming in the latest phone. So this is that kind of plug. The charging point, this is the speaker. Let's switch on the phone. Okay. Ooh, Motorola. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I think I'm going to put a review of it after 1 month. And yeah, also the OnePlus review is on its way, so be prepared for that. Okay, so this phone is getting open. Look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay cool, stay smart, and let's stay wizzy.